Hi guys, welcome to our fourth video. Today we will look into the aggregate functions for the SQL, and the topic which we will cover today is the count function for the aggregate. We will cover the group by, we will cover the min max, and we will cover sum and average. So without wasting much of time, let's get started. Let's zoom in a little bit. Okay, so I'll fire the first command, which is databases. As we have been using the tutorial database for this series, let's continue using that. Use tutorial, and in the use tutorial we will be checking for tables. Show tables. And we have two tables, which is contact list and product. So guys, this table product I have created initially to store information related to products. We will be using this product table today, but in order to demonstrate the count and the group by, I will continue using the contact list table. So let's get started with using contact list. Okay guys, so our count and group by, first I will explain count. So basically count returns the total number of records present in the particular table. So let's do it practically. Select count star from contact list. Okay, so you can see that count, this particular query returns the total count present. So it is 7. Okay, now we will fire our next query, which will be related with the group by. So let's get started. So let's implement that practically. Select count star from contact list group by address. So yeah, this returns 4111. So before explaining this particular return, I will do a select star from contact list. Okay, so guys, we can see here that in the address column we have 4 records of Gopalpur. We have 1 record of Shastri Nagar, 1 record of Gokul, and 1 record of Golul. So basically these 4 address are 4 distinct types. And what group by exactly does is it creates 3 different sets. So one will be of Gopalpur, one will be of Shastri Nagar, and one will be of Gokul, one will be of Golul. So that exactly what group by does. It distincts the records, and on the basis of that distinct it returns the records. So let's say we want to return a query like select count star star as number of records and number of unique address. Let's make it this unique address, and let's also select the address, and from contact list we will select from contact list, and we will be grouping by the address column, grouping by address, and let's fire this query and check the results. Count star contact list group by address. I think that there is some so this alias, I have made a mistake here in this query. Let's rewrite it again. Select count star as address as a number of unique address, and then we will write the address from contact list, and we will group by contact list, group by address in the contact list table. So we'll put the semicolon and we'll see what the result. So guys, we can see the desired result. So number of unique address 4, and the address column particular value is Gopalpur. Again, this is 1, this is Shastri Nagar, 1 is Gokul, and 1 is Golu, which we explained earlier in this particular table. So let's jump into the product table, because for other operations which we will be seeing today, which is the min, the max, the sum, and the average, for that we require something numerical in the table, and our contact list doesn't have any numerical values. So for that I have introduced the table product. So let's see the value of product table. So first we will use the command describe product. Okay. So in the product table, we have the field of product ID, we have the field of product name, we have the field of category, we have description, we have price, we have text, stock quantity, and the respective type is of int, varchar 50, text, decimal type of price, and the stock quantity is of type int. So guys, for this product table, let's see the total values present in the product. So select star from products. I have predefined this table product, and I have also inserted value in them. Just let's have a look in the product table values. So you can see here that there is a total of 10 records, and with this 10 records we have the product name, the price, the category, stock quantity, the description. Let me reduce the font size once, and yeah, here is the table wherein we have the product ID, the product name, the category, the description, the stock quantity, and basically for the min, max, and the average we will be playing with this price and stock quantity columns. So let's get started. So our first query would be, let's say I want the minimum price, the maximum price, as well as I want the minimum stock quantity as well as the maximum stock quantity for this table product. Let's write the query for that. So it will be just a minute. It will be, let me zoom in a little bit so that the data is visible to you. Okay, it will be select main price as min underscore price. Let's give it an alias of min underscore price for the column. Then let's give a max price as max underscore price. Again, let's give a min stock underscore quantity as again min stock quantity stock quantity, and then let's have one more column which is, let's give enter, max stock quantity as max stock quantity. So we have used the min and max. So basically min of price will return the minimum price present in the table for any particular record, and max of price will return the maximum of price present in the table product. Similarly, min stock quantity will return the minimum stock quantity present in the product table, and max stock quantity will return the maximum stock quantity present in the table product. So let's complete our query and fire it. Min and max is used for that purpose only. So again, there is some SQL error. Let me look into that. Min, select min, price as min price, max price as max price, min stock quantity as min stock quantity, max, yeah. So basically in our this line, min price, max stock quantity, let's write it down again, max of stock quantity. Guys, initially I make this mistake sometimes while typing, but it's initially when you are starting, it's always a best practice to type all your queries so that we have the habit of writing the correct query in here. So I've rectified this query, and let's run the result. And yeah, here the result is minimum price, minimum stock quantity, maximum stock quantity, and this is the respective values. So again, our next query would be, let's say okay guys, let's cover one more topic in this tutorial. I will name that topic as subquery, and how we use subqueries, I'll give you an example. So let's do a select star from product. Let's see that the maximum price for a particular product is 999.99. So product, select star from product, and here, so 999.99 is the maximum price for a product. Now what we will do exactly is, we will be covering the subquery topic. So let's say I want to return all the data, I want to return columns like select product ID, and then I want to return the product name, and I also want to return the price, and I will be returning this from table product, and I will give the condition where price is equal to, let's say the highest price is 999.99, so I'll put that value in here, and I will execute this query. So we'll get this respective record. Now 999.99 is the maximum value in case of a price. Now let's say I want to return a product with the maximum price value. So for that we can design a subquery. So let's see that how we can do. So let's copy our snippet till here and add it here, and then I'll write my subquery, which will be, let's say, select max, let's say, price from product, and I'll close it, and let's return the value and see what we get. So guys, we have executed this query and we have got the same result as above. So this is the concept of subquery, wherein we can write a query inside a query. So in order to execute that, first we have to write our subquery in the bracket, inside of a bracket. So it will get executed. So basically this max price of product, let's execute this and see what the initial value is. When we are executing this query max price of product, it returns the maximum price of the product. And here we are selecting the product ID, product name, and price from the product table, where price is equal to, and then this subquery we are executing, where 999.99 is returned, and we get the respective value as this. Similarly, we can do with the min also. I'll just show you how we can do it for min. So let's copy this and let's write our select min of the price from product, and let's close this parenthesis. And yeah, so minimum quantity product is a t-shirt where price is 19.25 and 95 rupees. And this is how the subquery works. So we have covered the min max, we have covered the subquery topic, we have covered the group by, we have covered the our count. Let's jump on to our next topic, which is average as well as sum. So before jumping into average and sum, let's execute one more query related to product table for min and max. So let's write the query. So let's say select category. We want to see the category of products, and we want to see this category along with the minimum price for that particular category. Again, along with the maximum price for that category. As guys, just let's just close this query. Let's rewrite it again. So it will be select category first, then it will be min price. Let's give a meaningful alias name which we missed previously. So it will be min underscore price. This is one of the best practices we should follow. Again, we'll write max price as max price. We have made another mistake which we can't. Okay, let's rewrite it again. Select category. Okay, and category we will write min price as min price min underscore price Then we will select max price as max underscore price, and then we will select min stock quantity as min underscore stock and our next will be max stock quantity as max stock from product, and then we will group by category. Let's see the result of this query. So let's just verify it once again. So it is we are selecting the category, we are selecting the mean price for that particular category, we are selecting the max price for that particular category. Again, we are selecting the minimum stock quantity as well as maximum stock quantity from product table, and then we are grouping by as per the category. Let's see what is the result. And guys, we can see the result. So basically this will represent the electronic category. Minimum price for an electronic quantity is 699.99 and the maximum price is 999.99. Minimum stock of an electronic product is 15, maximum stock is 20. And this is how the clothing is returned, home and kitchen, books, toys, footwear and appliances is written. So our next topic for today is sum and average. So basically the sum returns the addition of all the values, numerical values for the particular table. Let's see a small example practically. So it will be select sum. Let's say I will do the price, select some price from product. So let's see what is returned. And yeah, this is the total sum of prices in the product table. Again, let's do a average example. Select AVG. AVG is a short form for average, and average price from product, and yeah, this is the average price of the product which is returned. So let's take an example of above query only and return the total price as well as average price in terms of category. So let's write the query. So first we will select the category, then we will use the sum for price, and sum will be our total price. Again, we will be using average to return the average price of the product in terms of category. Average price as ABG underscore price. Then we will apply this sum and average for stock quantity as well. So it will be sum stock quantity as let's say total stock quantity, and then our next will be average stock quantity, and it will be as AVG We have made one mistake here, guys. Let's remove this column. ABG stock quantity. ABG stock quantity. So we have used the sum for stock quantity, we have used the average for stock quantity, price, and we will be using it from product, and again we will be grouping by category, and we will run this query. I think this looks perfect. Let's run it. And yeah, this is our result. So in terms of category electronics, the total price is of 1699.98. The average price is of 849.99000. Total stock quantity is 35 and average stock quantity is 17.555. Sorry, 17.5000. So based on categories, this is the sorted data. That's it for today, guys. If you like this video, do consider subscribing and liking to my channel. And if you have any questions, any doubts, anything I can improve on, do let me know in the comment section. And thanks for watching.